Ebube father.
You should stop talking like that. What's his problem?
They have taken for him.
That prayer will not work. You cannot curse Yahoo boy. It cannot work at all.
The door is the door is locked. You can't open it.
You they forbid to curse politicians. They tell me nonsense. Nonsense go pit up ridiculous nonsense.
The oracle has spoken.
You don't just see poor man. I curse it. You know they curse politician. Why you no go curse politician? Because now they church. Now they buy the private jet for them. Now they buy the big motor. All the big motor where a BO they drive. Who they buy for her? Now woman and the best way they work a month 30,000 for a month. Now they buy the big motor for them. Man, I behave on herself.
They are criminal.
The one where no favor they go condemn her. The politician when you go curse when they die, you don't curse them. In the car they curse Yahoo, but now Yahoo will cause Nigeria problem. More than 10 million people are jobless. You are not causing the source why they are jobless. You say you are a man of God, you are not causing the source. You are driving big car. What are those people working they are using to buy big car for you? The Yahoo in politics is stronger than the Yahoo we are seeing.
Yes, sir. Ebube father, the word prophet.
Politicians are duping money every time. They don't go give you and I not go cost them. Cost Yahoo boy. If I hear you cost them again, I will return it back to sender.
Amen. May the car tire burst.
Cause politician, leave not be Yahoo boys. Cause the one way it happen to you. Cause politician.
Yes, sir.
That's what the other day go they cause coconut. Where pastor they do for your prayer. Your own church where the prayer you don't reach your eye. And you don't put eye for your own. Because yes, said the pastor then they use and they make wave. You go see talk for coconut matter. Where did they not call you? Now they pull your mouth. Who tell one when I got see you?
Oracle of the nation.
The problem of Nigeria is our leader, is our governors, is our president, is our.
Hey, this one a pastor to pastor now. Not be small thing, not be small thing. We go see for inside Abule. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about this our pastor. This our swagalicious pastor. Not be smart you. He say what he go make the other pastor. They insult Yahoo boys. He say what they cause for Edo State. It's whether the Yahoo boys cause the problem where they Nigeria. Where this pastor talk this word there, I can't love and demand. Not be lie. Not be say when they support them like. Now Yahoo boys, now it cause the problem with the Nigeria. No. Not be Yahoo boys. Why it be say every time una go they insult Yahoo boys? What about our politicians? Now not they insult them. Now wait till this pastor they ask so. And I go like make una still leave am for comment section because not be lie. Now Yahoo boys cause the problem really. Because if you ask me now, all those politicians now, they misbehave. Now Yahoo boys now it cause the problem. Politicians go there, they not go talk to them. All those politicians, because they buy big car for una, this our pastor talk so. Una not they talk to them. Una not they answer them. Una will come they talk to Yahoo boys them. If you talk say, if una try and talk to Yahoo boys again, he said the cost when go cost una. He say part 2 not go there. He said because not be Yahoo boys now it cause the problem with the Nigeria. He said politicians them then they will not go talk to them. Una will come they insult Yahoo boys so be say they on their own. He said if work then Nigeria they go do Yahoo. I can't say not be lie oh. More see reason with this pastor oh. Make una see reason with this pastor for waiting in talk. My people, more than not verse they rush, they talk like this. Because the things they read, they provoke me like seriously. So my ogbonge people, I'll put the video more and see what this our ogbonge pastor talk. Thank you. I'm gonna let me share this video. Bye.
Where they don't call them, neither they pull mats.
Ghana must go.
One pastor, big bishop from Port Harcourt, so I not look and insulted him. Ibiome.
What's shocking, man?
Came out. What they concern you concern Yahoo people? Are they the problem of Nigeria? Say I came out, I cast every Yahoo boy. They don't do pamo. Maybe they don't see do pan. I make it they cry come and so.
Yes,
because it's there, you know talk come on. If they tell us now, I say Yahoo boys. I cast Yahoo boys. If you there, I cast them. I cast them. I'm not saying I'm supporting, but I'm saying that he should shut up. No, did I say shut up? I can't cause it.
Ebube father.
He should stop talking like that. What's his problem?
They have taken for him.
That prayer will not work. You cannot curse Yahoo boy. It cannot work at all.
The door is the door is locked. You can't open it.
You they forbid to curse politicians. They tell me nonsense. Nonsense go pit of ridiculous nonsense.
The oracle has spoken.
You don't see poor man. You I cast it, I cast it, I cast it. You know they curse politician. Why you not go curse politician? Because now they church. Now they buy the private jet for them. Now they buy the big motor. All the big motor where a BO they drive. Who they buy them for? Now woman, the best way they work a month 30,000 for a month. Now they buy the big motor for them. Man, I behave on herself.
They are criminal.
The one way not favor they go condemn her. The politician when you go cost when they die, you don't cost them. If they can't they cast Yahoo, but now Yahoo will cost Nigeria problem. More than 10 million people are jobless. You are not causing the source why they are jobless. You say you are a man of God, you are not causing the source. You are driving a big car. What are those people working they are using to buy a big car for you? The Yahoo in politics is stronger than the Yahoo we are seeing.
Yes, sir. Ebube father, the word prophet.
Politicians are duping money every time. They run can't give you and I not go cost them. Cost Yahoo boy. If I hear you cost them again, I'll return it back to sender.
Amen. May the car tire bust.
Cause politician, leave not be Yahoo boys. Cause the one way it happened to you. Cause politician.
Yes, sir.
That's what the other day go they cause coconut. Where pastor they do for your prayer. Your own church where the prayer you don't reach your eye. You don't put eye for your own. Because yes, the pastor then they use and they make wave. You go see talk for coconut matter. Where did they not call you? Now they pull your mouth. Who tell one when I got see you?
Oracle of the nation.
The problem of Nigeria is our leader, is our governors, is our president, is our senator. Cause them, leave Yahoo people, cause those people.
Yes, sir.
As we they walk out for road now, I said no, they lost, we like them. As we they walk out in the midnight, nobody they use to envelop us, we like them. Abiome, take time, oh.
Bookshop Ibiome one.
Well, we can't deny nobody, no court. We don't hear court fight again because everybody get best back for compound.
The father, the preaching catalyst. Hey.
As we know the hear court fight again, Ibiome, you don't like her like that?
Yes, sir.
If our government, our president, our leader, their head don't correct, we'll come face Yahoo people say, walk, don't the moon go walk. For now, Ukutu Magia way bam.
The Adugdumadu one.
The oracle has spoken.
Ibiome must catch this one.
Leave them, leave them, leave them. Face politicians, they are in your church. Swear for them, swear. Swear for them. Say, all you politicians that is in Nigeria money, if your member not drop. They say, these are this. These are this. You said you have about 200 acres of land where he park his car. Who buy him for?
Big belly.
All these people for back now be friend to Yahoo people, for front now be behind him. Stop him.
Yes, sir.
You just say private jet na 10,000 naira on 1, 2 or 12.5. The people in your church, all the government workers, and their salary 30,000, 40, 50, 100,000. Now they take gather money to buy private.